What up, y'all? This is Jarrell. This is the first video. We about to show the S4, the AWE install on the exhaust. Let's do some flybys, all that. Show how it sounds before and after. Today I got to fix the underglows on it. You know what I'm saying? Shit hanging out, kind of dirty, but it's all good. We're gonna get it today. That shit?
Yeah, he's trying to.
Alright, y'all, if y'all like the video, like, subscribe, comment, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. Look, how to buy a exercise bike because gas is getting too expensive to go to the gym. But yeah, like the video.